you're up.
Hey, it's Bethany and Justin from the Flack fam, and today we're exploring Park Guell in Barcelona, Spain.
Remember when the taxi driver had no idea where to take us because you were trying to pronounce it like Park Guell?
Yes, and Abby, out of nowhere, finally says it to him correctly, and he knew exactly what she was talking about.
We actually tried to go to Park Guell 2 times on our last trip because we thought it was free and open to the public, but we found out that locals can come to the park for free, but everyone else, it costs, and you must book a time to be there on their website because capacity is limited.
Park Guell was one of those places that we were only going to go if we had time. We had already tried to go once, and it was booked for the day, so we really didn't think that we would make it. But our flight was delayed a full 24 hours, so magically we had time to discover this incredible park.
Entrada. Down low first. We don't want to go up a hill yet.
This is still a hill.
There's a little play area down there. Should we drop you off there? Shade. Look at these. Look at them.
Did you know this actually didn't get concepted as a park? It was supposed to be a gated community for posh up-and-comings in the early 1900s in Barcelona. It was the golden oaks of its time.
Yeah, the Guell family asked Gaudi to design Park Guell as a closed community of wealthy estates.
Gaudi started by creating the areas around the homes. He tried to respect the nature and use it in his architecture. He planned ways to collect water, walkways that will allow you to get easily around the neighborhood, a grand entrance into the neighborhood, and a marketplace at the top of the grand staircase.
Don't forget the famous dragon on the staircase that is protecting Park Guell.
Wait, that lizard is actually a dragon that's supposed to be the protector of the park?
Yes, it's a dragon, a very famous dragon that people are very proud of, so let's keep the lizard talk to a minimum.
Okay, moving on. We also learned that the mountain that is now covered in foliage used to be called Bear Mountain due to the barren land. It was also really difficult to access, which made them stop after building just 2 homes.
The Guell family lived here in the large mansion that was on the property prior to park construction. It is still standing today and currently is used as a school.
Gaudi built a house for himself and lived there until his death in 1926. His home has been turned into the Gaudi Museum. However, when we were there in June of 2022, the museum was closed.
My favorite area was the laundry room portico, where the covered walkways were designed like an ocean wave that provided shade and reprieve from the heat.
It was a hot day, and we didn't take any water with us, but thank goodness there are several vendors selling water throughout the park, although prices varied depending on where you were. Just climbed a tall hill, $3 US. Down in the flatter areas with shade, $1. So be smart, shop around.
I was so glad we hadn't spent all of our euros, but I think we did use the last of our cash here. Thank goodness the restaurant at Park Guell did take a credit card.
I forgot we ate there.
Oh, that's the menu. Hamburguesa.
It was okay food compared to the rest of Barcelona, of course, but the best thing was the mango coconut popsicle.
Because it was good or because it was blazing hot?
A little bit of both.
Well, I guess that is our quick tour of the now World Heritage Site Park Guell.
I don't think we even showed half of it.
It is a large park. Plan to wear some good walking shoes if you come here.
And bring a camera because the views of Barcelona here were incredible, and the architecture is so unique that you'll want to look at it over and over again.
It's true. I know I look at the pictures and think, I would have bought a house here.
We couldn't have afforded it. I guess it's good the neighborhood failed and turned into a park because that's the only way we would ever get let in those gates.
So true. Well, if you happen to be in Barcelona, go visit Park Guell and dream of where you would build your home.
Or just enjoy Gaudi's masterpiece.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can follow more of our adventures. Thanks for watching. Bye.
I just did that.
Good job.
Remember when the taxi driver had no idea what you were saying because you were trying to pronounce it?
You have to say how I said it.
Did you know this actually didn't start out?
No, I didn't.
Apparently, it's hilarious.
Yeah, it was going to be a posh neighborhood.
Oh, did I forget to say the word posh, so you're adding that?
Look at that bird.
This one's closer. Hi.